I'm going to be naming every single aircraft in GeoFS. Boeing 787-8, Embraer E190, Boeing 767-300ER, Boeing 757-200, Airbus A350-900, Boeing 777-300ER, Airbus A321neo, Airbus A330-300, Bombardier-8 Q400, Boeing 747-8 Fighter, Cirrus SR-22 GTS Turbo, Boeing 737-800, CRJ-900, Airbus A340-600, A-10C Thunderbolt II, Lockheed SR-71A Blackbird, Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, BAE-146-300 Avro RJ-100, ATR-72-600, 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 Cyrus Vision Jet SF-50 G2, Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, F-14B Tomcat, Bombardier Sierra J200, Scale 339 Spaceship 2, Prony Spitpuff, Scale 348 White Knight 2, Boeing 737 MAX 8, Boeing 737 MAX 8, Antonov AN-225 Maria, Sikorsky S-97 Raider, Supermarine Spitfire MKX-IV, Bell UH-1H Turquoise, Delta A220-300, Falcon 9, Razar Balloon, Airbus A400M Atlas, F-22 Raptor, Augusta Westland AW609, Airbus A320-214, Airbus A320-214, Air China A319-100, Starlines A319-100, Saab 340, Korean Airlines A220-300, North American XB-70, Valkyrie, Dassault Huron, Starhopper, Airbus A350-1000 XWB, Gladius PC-12, North American X-15, MQ-9B Reaper, Boeing 737-8, MAX 8, KLM City Hopper E-195-E2, Lockheed Martin P-791, Boeing 737 MAX 8, Gladius P-24, United A319-100, Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner, Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner, Haldor or near 228-100, Boeing PAL Neptune, Bombardier CRJ-700, Embraer ERJ-170, Grumman E-2C Hawkeye, Airbus A320-214, Piper Cub, Cessna 172, Alpha Jet PAF, Boeing 737-700, Embraer Phenom 100, de Havilland DHC-6 Twin Otter, F-16 Fighting Falcon, Pitts Special S-1, Eurocopter EC-135, Airbus A380, Ali Sport Silent 2 Electro, Gladius PC-7 MKL, Lockheed P-38 Lightning F-5B, Douglas DC-3, McDonnell Douglas FD-11, Sukhoi Su-35, Concorde, Zlin Z-50, Cessna 152, Antonov AN-140, Vacador Sportstar, SZD-483-3 Jantar Paraglider, Major Tom Hot Air Balloon, Hughes 269 ATH-55 Osage, and Goat Air Chair.